Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Renee Wagner, your go-to real estate expert. And in today's video, I'll be sharing the top 5 red flags for buyers when selling your home. Whether you're preparing to list your property or just curious about what buyers notice, these tips will help you make a great impression. And in my experience, I've seen exactly what to look out for. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about odors. When buyers walk into a home, one of the first things they notice is how it smells. Strong odors like pet smells, smoke, or even a strong cooking smell can be a major turnoff. To make sure your home smells inviting, consider deep cleaning carpets, upholstery, and curtains. Opening windows, fresh flowers, or a subtle air freshener can add a pleasant touch without overwhelming. Next on the list is clutter. A cluttered home can give the impression of a lack of space and can distract buyers from seeing the true potential of your property. Take the time to declutter and organize each room. Clear countertops, tidy closets, and neatly arranged furniture can make your home feel more spacious and inviting. Moving outside, poor curb appeal can immediately turn off potential buyers before they even step inside. Take a look at your home's exterior. Are the lawn and the landscaping well maintained? Is the exterior paint fresh and in good condition? Simple fixes like mowing the lawn, trimming the bushes, planting flowers, and applying a fresh coat of paint to the front door can significantly enhance curb appeal and make a good first impression. Buyers also notice signs of neglect inside the home. This includes obvious maintenance issues like a leaking faucet, a broken fixture, or holes in the walls. These issues can signal to buyers that the home may not have been well cared for overall. Before listing your home, take the time to address these repairs. Fixing leaks, replacing broken fixtures, and patching up any holes can reassure buyers that your home has been well maintained. Last but definitely not least, outdated fixtures and finishes can make your home feel stuck in the past and less appealing to buyers. Take a look at your kitchen and bathrooms. Are the appliances, countertops, and cabinetry outdated? Updating these elements doesn't have to be extremely expensive. Simple changes like replacing hardware, updating lighting fixtures, and adding a fresh coat of paint can go a long way in giving your home a more contemporary look. And there you have it, my top 5 red flags for buyers when selling your home. By addressing these areas, odors, clutter, poor curb appeal, signs of neglect, and outdated fixtures, you can make your home more attractive to potential buyers and increase your chances of a successful sale. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real estate tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.